This is the scariest bird that exists. This is a devil bird that lives in a volcano. It's known for its blood-colored eyes and its terrifying screech. It can fly up to 60 miles per hour, and it has been known to attack and eat people. There was a guy who went missing while hiking, and when they found his car at the bottom of a volcano, they also found this, a one-way ticket to hell. In all seriousness, though, if you ever see this bird, do not approach it. Just stay very far away, because this bird is very dangerous. If you want to hear more scary stories like this, stay tuned.